How to format text and add checklists in Evernote. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can format text and add checklist in Evernote. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have an Evernote account. Once you have an Evernote account created already, the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and open up the account either on the web or on your application. Whichever way, just ensure that you open up the app. So once you open up the app, the next thing for you to do is to navigate through to the notes that you want to add checklists to, and click on the note. Once you click on the note, you'll be taken to the the notes page. Sorry. Next thing to do is to select the text. All right. For you to be able to add a checklist, you have to have a text written out already. And then once you selected the text, go to the top part of the screen and then click on the more option button. All right. Let's select the text very well this time around. Okay. Yeah. Then go to the more option. Once you go to the more option button, you will see the options available, which is strike through, superscript, and subscript. And then if you cannot find the checklist here, just go to the top part of the screen and then select the checklists. As you can see next to the numbering and the bulletin option, just click on it. As you can see, checklist has been made. So to add checklist to other writings, just click on enter and then type out what you want to do. All right, and then click on and enter again and just keep on typing and entering, and the checklist will be created. And once you're done, it will be saved automatically on your device as on your notes or your Evernote account. So this is how you can format text and add checklist in Evernote. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.